how to format or factory reset the Nintendo Switch 2. This is useful if you want to sell it, give it away, or simply if you're having some issue and want to see if it can be fixed by resetting it to factory settings. For this, we're going to go to this gear icon that appears right here to the left of the power button. Tap on it. All this information will appear here. Now please scroll all the way down to the section where it says System. Once we have arrived here in the system menu, scroll all the way down again, all the way to the very bottom of the list, and you will see the formatting options setting. So just tap right there and you will be able to delete different things as needed. To give you a few specific examples, this includes the cache, your entire keyboard usage history, and the microSD information in case you happen to have one in your Nintendo Switch 2. And here is finally the specific information we're looking for, which is how to factory reset the Nintendo Switch 2. Here it will completely and permanently delete all the information currently stored in the internal system memory of the console. Here, you simply press the A button in this section right over here, or if not, just tap it and you can completely factory reset it to its original settings.